Welcome to our guide on understanding insomnia, a common sleep disorder that affects millions worldwide. If you've ever struggled to fall asleep, stay asleep, or wake up feeling refreshed, you're not alone. Today, we'll explore why insomnia happens and discover natural, effective ways to reclaim your peaceful nights and energetic days. Insomnia is more than just a bad night's sleep. It's a persistent difficulty with sleep initiation, duration, consolidation, or quality. It's diagnosed when these issues occur at least 3 times a week for over 3 months, significantly impacting daily life, despite having adequate opportunities for sleep. Insomnia can be short-term, known as acute insomnia, or it can become a long-term, chronic condition. Now let's delve into the various factors that can contribute to insomnia. Understanding these causes is the first step toward finding solutions. One major cause is stress, anxiety, and depression, which can create a cycle of worry that keeps your mind racing at night. Medical conditions like chronic pain, asthma, or thyroid issues can also disrupt sleep patterns. Lifestyle choices play a significant role, including irregular sleep schedules, excessive screen time before bed, and consuming caffeine or nicotine late in the day. Alcohol, while initially sedating, can fragment sleep later in the night, leading to poor quality rest. Environmental factors such as a noisy bedroom, an uncomfortable mattress, or a room that's too hot or cold can severely impact your ability to sleep. Circadian rhythm disruptions from jet lag or shift work also throw your body's natural sleep-wake cycle out of sync. Certain medications can have insomnia as a side effect, and sometimes, genetics can predispose individuals to sleep difficulties. The effects of insomnia extend far beyond just feeling tired. Chronic sleep deprivation can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. It leads to daytime sleepiness, fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating, making everyday tasks challenging. Long-term insomnia increases the risk of mental health issues like depression and anxiety, and impairs cognitive functions such as memory and decision-making. It also raises the likelihood of accidents and is linked to chronic diseases like heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. The good news is there are many natural remedies and lifestyle changes you can adopt to improve your sleep. First, maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up at the same time helps regulate your body's internal clock. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Optimize your sleep environment by ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Block out light and minimize noise. Relaxation techniques like mindfulness meditation, progressive muscle relaxation, and yoga can significantly reduce stress and prepare your body for sleep. Consider natural supplements like melatonin and magnesium, or herbal remedies such as valerian root and chamomile tea, but always consult a doctor first. Incorporate tryptophan-rich foods into your diet, like turkey or nuts, and avoid caffeine and alcohol several hours before bedtime. Regular exercise earlier in the day can also promote better sleep, but avoid intense workouts close to bedtime. If your insomnia persists for over 3 weeks, significantly impairs your daily functioning, or is accompanied by symptoms of an underlying medical condition, it's crucial to seek professional help. A doctor can identify the root causes, recommend treatments like cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, or screen for other sleep disorders. Don't let insomnia control your life. Take these steps to improve your sleep and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, a good night's sleep is fundamental to a healthy and happy life. Start your journey to better sleep today.